Today I will tell you how to create a clickable link in your PDF file of Canva. For example, you are designing a card. Let's search for select this one. Customize this template. If you save it as an image file, PNG file, these links will not be clickable. And if you save it as your PDF file, these links will be clickable. Let me show you how. For example, this I copy it, link, and I copy it over here. Let me change it with some realistic website so that you may understood this. Let me change it with some original site so that when I click it, you can see how it will redirect your time to your website, right? And I'm just changing its name also. Now let's share it, download. There are options. Either you can save it in the PNG form or you can see the options down here and you may choose any one of it. Right now, first I will save it as PNG form and let you know that this link is not clickable in the PNG format. And then I will download it in the PDF form, standard form, and show you how this link will direct you to the actual website and how this link is clickable. Let me show you. Download. This is the image, and see, it is underlined, which shows it is a link, but it is not clickable. Right now, let me show you when I save it in the PDF form what happened. Now let me save it with other format, which is PDF. Drop down, change its format, download. Now you can see it is clickable. When I click it, it will open a new website, which link I have given over here. In this way, you can create clickable links in Canva. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.